Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your device has GPS and enough battery, and the app has permission. Open Settings, enable location services, and select High Accuracy for best results. Once done, open the map or tracking app and allow access when prompted. You should also turn on Wi-Fi and mobile data. They assist faster and more accurate fixes. Make sure airplane mode is off. These first steps get the satellite fix and app access, so the rest of the process works reliably. You now obtain a fix and verify accuracy. Open your GPS app and watch the satellite or location indicator. Wait until accuracy reads a low meter value. Use assisted GPS or network assistance to speed this step. Once you see coordinates and an accuracy radius, cross-check the timestamp and compare against a known landmark if possible. If accuracy bounces, move to an open sky area and restart the app. Make sure to calibrate the compass if navigation will be directional. You finish by using and preserving the location data correctly. Save waypoints or export GPX/KML files and choose tracking intervals that balance accuracy and battery life. For navigation, select routing preferences and start guidance. For tracking, enable background location if required. If things go wrong, restart the device, toggle location services, clear the app cache, and try again. Make sure no metal or cases block the antenna. If persistent errors remain, test with another device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.